Hey, happy campers, Todd here, Great American RV, and today we're talking service. Things you need to know to have the right expectation on how service works here at Great American RV. Your RV service venture starts right here with our service writers here at Great American RV. Whether it's warranty, extended warranty, customer pay, or insurance jobs, you'll reach out to your service writer via email, in person, or over the phone. RV service appointments can book up quickly in the spring, summer, and fall. Wintertime are our slowest times, so be looking about 3 to 4 weeks ahead sometimes when making that appointment. Once your appointment is made and you show up at the dealership, your service writer is going to go through your list, put painter's tape, or write down areas of concern that our technician needs to look at. If you have a notepad in your RV, jot down that list. You're going to end up with a little small list if you just purchased, and that's okay. Get that hit list down and make that appointment with us so we can start addressing those concerns. Once your unit's been brought into the shop, our certified technicians will diagnose what may be wrong with the issue. From there, we have to do write-ups, take pictures, videos, and submit it all to the warranty. Now that's for regular manufacturer warranty. Extended warranty goes much the same way and has to be sent to your extended warranty, which sometimes requires a third party to come out and verify these issues. While waiting on approval from warranty, our parts hub will be looking up part numbers and where we can acquire those parts. Some manufacturers under warranty will require you to order the parts straight from them. Some of them allow us to get them directly. So that can vary depending on what manufacturer it is. Now, when we're talking about extended warranty process, we can go ahead and acquire those parts from many different places. The only difference with that is we have to get those part numbers before we go through the approval process for extended warranty, just like you would for an insurance claim as well. So this process can be a little timely from the time it goes into the shop to the time it has to be submitted to warranty, and acquiring parts and part numbers. It can take a little bit of time, so keep in mind, we don't want your unit, we want you to use it. So if it's not a camping critical component that's failed, you're more than welcome to come pick up your RV and go camping in it. We'll go ahead and make a follow-up appointment to have those other repairs done whenever you're ready. So once your parts come in, it makes it back into the shop, repairs are done, it's QC'd, your unit will be set out on a pad ready for pickup, and you need to set aside some time for pickup so you can go over all the repair issues and make sure you're satisfied with the repair. Now, a great caveat to all of that is Great American RV's same-day service. Some issues can be looked at and sometimes repaired in one day. Now, Great American RV is proud of that, and we're here to help you save that camping trip. So ask your service writer about same-day service and see if it's an option for you. Thanks for shopping at Great American RV, where we're making memories one weekend at a time.